fucking jump.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I'm going to start the show. So today I'm going to let you guys know that the Ozone just doesn't have adult shoes. We also have children's shoes. People seem to ask me all the time, do I have women or children's shoes? This is a pair of shoes for a customer of mine. Let me get you guys some box action. We have most of the times, whatever model comes in adult comes in children's sizes. So you guys can order them like that. This is just a pair of Air Force Ones. You know, everybody wants their kids to be fresh as well. There's nothing like getting your kids who know how to take care of them a fresh pair of Air Force Ones. Alright, now that we got the commercial out of the way, let's get on to the shoes. Alright guys and girls, next up we have a Stock X purchase. Let's get ready to bust it open. Get it out the box and see what she is. I already know what this is. Okay, you got some box action. This shoe, let me get Vegeta in focus too for you guys. Alright. There we go, so you can watch over my shoes while he's in the training room. This shoe is the Nike Air Max 720 Waves. Blue, Void, Red Orbit, and Black. Move this other phone out the way. Guys, those StockX swag tag. Yeah, if anybody needs watches, I have watches, Rolexes, Victor, and other watches available as well. Let me let you guys see what I paid for them. I paid $92.90 after shipping from StockX. Someone must have kept my duffel. StockX, you can't sell shoes that don't come with all the pieces. I really didn't want the duffel, but I paid you money. Let me see if the duffel's in here. No, there's no duffel. StockX, you guys have dropped the ball. Get the StockX tag out. So at least you guys could experience that part of it. But they did not put my duffel in. This is another of the 720 Waves. I think this is the final one I needed. So you guys, I should have done the complete video for the 720 Waves collection. Found them in store, and as you can see, also on StockX. I just like these shoes. They're super comfortable, a little bit different, so I don't mind wearing them because I know most people won't have them on. Like I said, they're super comfortable, all day comfort. As you can tell from that bottom, they're full of air. Like I said, you really don't see anybody else with them. You might start to see them now since I'm starting to see a couple pairs. I've hit the outlet. But like I said, I got this pair. Go give you guys a little bit more swag tag. I got this pair from StockX, as you can see. Okay, let's get on to the next shoe, guys. Alright, guys, up next is a Jordan. This is the Air Jordan 1 mid again. So I'm getting through my mids before summertime is over. This model Air Jordan 1 mid is the white, gem red, and black. Oh, you guys gonna love this one. This is the Chicago Air Jordan 1 mid Chicago. It's pretty decent shoe. Stop talking about it. Let you guys get to seeing it. Just the old Chicago colorway. Kind of like the satins that just came out today. I hope you guys hit on the satins. That was one of the best shoes I've seen of this year. I had to definitely double up for myself. One for wearing, staring, and I had to get a few for the customers. Guys are in the area and everyone to pre-order some shoes, let me know. Let you know the pricing and availability. Be prepared just to pay pre-order prices because I'm just getting them as a middleman for you. Whatever they charge me is what I charge you. Oh, this is a beautiful shoe. I don't even know. I was only able to keep one pair of these for myself. So I don't know if I will be wearing this pair, but it's like I said, it's one of the best Jordans of the year. If you couldn't get the satins or black toe. Alright guys, let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, right, this is a Foot Locker purchase. Let's go through. Pretty popular. See if I can show you guys the price without showing you my address, but this is why I tell you guys to follow the channel. I caught these shoes on the sale. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get it in there for you guys, but got these on the sale for $79. So you got to follow the channel, subscribe. So anytime there's sales, I'll pass the links on to you guys. If you're quick to jump on, you're able to get it. Since these shoes were so low, I bought about 6 pair. 2 pair for myself and a couple pair to sell. But as you can see, you get your special box. Let me see if I can get you guys some tag action. Most of you know by the new box what this is, but let me just get you the full Nike box action so you can see. That's just not a normal box. Now, a friend of mine was buying shoes from the outlet. He bought this same model, but it had the red or orange box rather. You know, the normal generic Nike box. So you gotta look out for that sometimes. Let's see what's in here. Alright. I knew this shoe came with something special. Let me bring out the one with the tag for you guys. Bear with me guys. I'm trying to show you the best shoe in the box. Alright. So this shoe, I'll show it to you as I tell you the name. This shoe is the Nike Air Max 90. Let's just say this right, super small, white. I think it says emerald blue, Volt. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry guys, the writing is too small. I don't feel like going to get any of that extra stuff because the lights are bright in here as I'm recording. Let's get the 360 spin on the shoe. Got this in this colorway, and I also got it in the green and a few others. Like I said, they went on sale this week for, I can't tell you exactly how much they got off, but I paid $80 for these. I believe $60 for the other ones. I'm getting my Air Max collection up. I'm going to try to have all of them. The Galaxies are still my favorite. You also get this anatomical art support pack in there. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see it. I guess you put it at the bottom of the sneakers. I still haven't wore any of my Air Maxes. I can't tell you exactly how it works. Let me move this over so you guys can see some Vegeta action too. But thanks for watching guys. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. My camera cut off on me, so bear with me again. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see. Let me know what shoes you guys bought, what shoes you missed. Let me know if you're messing with Stock or GoatX, because I might have to switch up. StockX is just, you've seen in this video, they just sent me the Air Max 720s Waves without my duffel. There's a little bit of dust on there. I could bear up with that, but I like complete shoes or whatever I buy. Like I said, remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time. Everybody fucking jump!